Hi everyone, I want to show you that how you can control your visibility outside of LinkedIn and just show what you want to show to the other people if you want to be found the right way, or if you do not want to be found and you want to discreetly do whatever you want on LinkedIn without letting other people know about your headline or job title or whatever you have it on LinkedIn. So when you go to setting, you can go to privacy and then you go to edit your profile, and then you can scroll down right here. You could see your profile public visible or not, like, it is visible right there. Mine is yes, but you can limit to no. And then you can scroll down and you can change it to the profile picture. What happens is over there, profile picture, you can only show it to the first degree connections, which means that you're connected with those people or someone in your network. Up to 3 degrees, you can show your pictures to them, and then to all the LinkedIn members, and it depends on what you want. So when you scroll down, mine is set to be public. So if you're a job seeker, then probably it's a good idea to potentially go and put everything in public, unless you have a specific reason not to do it, because job seekers have to ensure that they are being found everywhere pretty much, right? In order to ensure that recruiters are going ahead with your profile right away and taking a quick look at your picture as well, because picture speaks 1,000 words. So at the bottom, here's how you can control what do you want to show to people based on the network and everything you've put through on top that I showed you. So all those background picture, headline, articles, and everything, pretty much you can control it from here based on whatever you choose. So whatever you choose it here, you can narrow it down here as well. So whatever you wanted to go and then show it to the people who you are. Right here, you can all go scroll down and show based on whatever you choose up there. That's it. And if you wanted to create the public batch, this is next one, which is normally for people who write the blogs and a website. They can create the batch and copy and paste it online, and it just gives you the link. And when people click on the link, then they directly come to your profile. It's a cool feature. I have it on my blogs as well normally when I write blogs online. Hopefully you can now control what people see, and if you don't want people to know about everything about you, if they're not part of your network, you can literally change it right here on that section. And then, or if you're a job seeker, then potentially I would put everything in public and make sure that these areas are perfectly aligned to what you're targeting. All right, if you have any questions about the LinkedIn optimizations, LinkedIn basic feature, we also teach how do you go about doing that fantastic work in LinkedIn. You can visit teachingyou.com and look at your services and contact us if you would like to invest on your LinkedIn profile optimization.